Sarita was our first long-term foster care child. I've always kind of considered Sarita to be our firstborn. She came to us at 3 years old, and we were foster home number 8. Sarita tested positive for cocaine at birth, taken away from her mother a total of 6 times. By the time she was 4 years old, she had spent most of her life in foster care. And in this particular case, the stepmother was never evaluated for services, but she was the primary caregiver. They said before they took her that, we could call anytime. I did call, they never returned my phone calls. And then a year later, I get a phone call from my wife when I'm at work, and she says, I hope you're sitting down. Sarita's dead. At the end, the stepmother beat her to death 3 weeks before her 5th birthday. I could either have revenge, or I could try to save kids' lives, but I couldn't do both. I chose to save kids' lives. Sarita's law was passed unanimously in 2007. And in 2008, I incorporated it as the Foster Care Justice Alliance. Our mission statement is advocate for change and intervene for the child. There are 10,000 kids in foster care today in Washington State, 500,000 in the United States. Kids enter foster care because of the abuse or neglect of a parent. They remain in foster care because of the abuse of their rights and neglect of their case by the state. These are not just somebody else's kids, these are our kids. We need to take better care of them. We have to do a better job at keeping them safe. They're no different than any other child. They just want to be loved, they want a place to belong.